Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin future and EOS Airdrop. So just in case you are new to the channel, just to remind everybody that we have a past airdrop. So this is a supply chain on EOS platform. This is focused on marijuana supply chain. And the airdrop will be on October 24th, and which is tomorrow, and October 29 will be the airdrop day. So make sure you transfer your EOS out of the exchange to your EOS account, and this is only qualified for people who have 100 EOS. You're going to, for every 100 of EOS, you can get 1,000 token. For people who have less than 100 EOS, you're going to have to do air grab. So I will talk about that tomorrow. This is just to remind you, make sure you transfer your token out of the exchange. Also, BetDice is having a lucky draw, so you can do a lucky draw, and they give you some payout in EOS. And used to be, I think you can just logging in, you get 1,000 dice. I think they take it away. So, but here is there's some payout. So you can stake your dice token. For example, I already stake my DICE token and I still have something I can stake again. So stake your token and then you can earn some reward. And here they're saying that settles every hour based on your stake ratio. Your portion of the payout will be credited to your balance and can be claimed at your convenience. So I just stake my token and then I get some payout. And I would suggest you claim very frequently before they take it away. They already took away the 1,000 dice, those freebies. So I would suggest you claim pretty frequent, so before they take it away. So if you're interested, you can click the link below. That will help out my channel. Also, BetDice is having an interactive airdrop. So in order to qualify for this airdrop, you have to play the dice, and then automatically you are going to get some EOS. Not EOS, the EOSBET token. And the EOSBET token, if you're the token holder, you're going to get some payout or dividends next month, because this is a profit sharing platform, so you can check it out. So if you're interested, you can click the link below, and don't bet on something you cannot afford to lose. This is just a game. And also Trybe is, they have an airdrop actually on December 11th, but then it seems like their site got hack, it looks like. So we'll see when will this site coming back up. So but they're going to have an airdrop December 11th. Snapshot airdrop date will be the same. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop giveaway, half or ICO. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So let's get into it. And so Bitcoin future will go live on ICE, crypto trading platform, in December. So Intercontinental Exchange is ICE, basically. They're going to have an upcoming cryptocurrency trading platform called Bakkt, and will officially launch on December 12th, pending regulatory approval. They're still waiting for CFTC to get approved. So December 12th, I don't think I will take that date seriously because anything could happen, right? So ICE, in case you don't know what is ICE, basically ICE, Intercontinental Exchange, they own New York Stock Exchange, and they begin have a trading platform called Bakkt that could have offering physical settled Bitcoin future contract in December. So this is a physically backed Bitcoin ETF. So people are very highly anticipated with this. I think there's a catch on that. So just don't look at the stuff on the surface. There's always a catch. So people are saying, oh, we are going to go to the moon and all that. Not so fast. So let me finish this quickly. So so this will making the first cryptocurrency related offering through the new platform Bakkt, and then they will hold Bitcoin backing the future contract in the ICE digital asset warehouse. Provided CFTC will get approved or something, but we don't know. We have to wait. And so the future contract will be cleared through another entity called ICE Clear. US, another subsidiary of the exchange, which basically they own New York Stock Exchange. And also, each future contract call for delivery of 1 Bitcoin held in the Bakkt digital asset warehouse and will trade in US dollar. So one daily contract will be listed for trading each exchange business day. And this is basically the offer one day Bitcoin future contract. So meaning that client can cash their future products out to receive Bitcoin rather than cash. So remember those CME, CBOE future Bitcoin future contract, they basically don't own any Bitcoin. They are just speculating on the Bitcoin, and then you settle on fiat currency, right? So this one day Bitcoin future contract is regulated by CFTC, not SEC. So it's a different thing. So my take on this, the thing is, people are saying that since this is a Bitcoin-backed ETF, so that means they have to buy a whole bunch of Bitcoin in order to create this ETF, right? But the thing is, people, the whale, they have so much money. They don't have to buy Bitcoin through the exchange. They can just buy it through the OTC. And if you have 75,000 or above, you can just buy it from Genesis Mining directly OTC. You don't even have to go through the exchange. So this will not affect the price of Bitcoin per se, but I could be wrong too. You never know, right? But I doubt this will have any effect on the market. And also another thing, this has hidden leverage. So people are so saying that, oh, we are going to the moon because of the Bakkt Bitcoin ETF, not so fast. The reason is there's a hidden leverage on this Bitcoin ETF. And Wall Street veteran, some Wall Street veterans, they want that financialization of Bitcoin could introduce elements of frictional reserve banking system into the cryptocurrency market. So in case you don't know what is frictional reserve banking, basically, if you deposit 10,000 to the bank, and currently the FDIC, the deposit reserve requirement is 2%. Basically, the bank only need to have $200 as a reserve. The rest of the money, they can just loan it out to as a home mortgage or in business loan or individual private loan or whatever or whatnot. So basically, this is called frictional reserve banking. And if all the people who go to the bank all at once to get their money back, the bank do not have all this cash on hand because the reserve requirement based on FDIC is only 2%. So out of 10,000, they only require to have $200 as a reserve. The rest all go to probably loan it out to the customer or as a mortgage, as a car loan, or as a business loan to make money. This is how the bank make money anyway. So frictional reserve banking system is this is how they practice, how they make money in the financial institution. So Bakkt say they won't offer leverage Bitcoin trading. And Bakkt CEO Kelly said one of the platform's key mission is to promote efficient price discovery, which means the firm does not intend to allow clients to trade on margin or otherwise put a paper claim on a real asset. And also, he talked about the buying and selling of Bitcoin is fully collateralized or pre-fund collateralized. So when you see this term collateralized, that means it could be not only Bitcoin, it could be something else too, right? And our new daily Bitcoin contract will not trade on margin, use leverage, or serve to create a paper claim on a real asset. This support market integrity and differentiate on effort on an existing future and crypto exchange, which allow for margin, leverage, and cash settlement. This is sounds very good, but that is not the case. I will talk about that in the next few seconds. And Caitlin Long, she's basically spent more than 2 decades on Wall Street and also co-founded the Wyoming Blockchain Coalition. And she was partially pleased by the post, but then which answers some of the questions that she and others have been asking ICE handling of Bitcoin, specifically about explicit leverage and margin trading. but then she called for there's some hidden leverage. So because institution, they commingle and rehypothecate different types of collateral. So Caitlin Long, she published an article about in August. So she published an article about 2 Wall Street terms every Bitcoin trader needs to learn right now. So rehypothecation and commingling. So what is rehypothecation? So basically rehypothecation, let's see. Let's go to, so let's take a listen. That will be easy for, I know some of my viewers probably watch this, but I just want to reinforce in case you're new to the channel or you forget what is rehypothecation. It's always good to revisit.
Used as collateral for one party is reused in another transaction. To understand the concept, consider Jim and his bank. Jim borrows money from his bank to buy his house. The collateral on that loan is Jim's house. If Jim stops making payments, the bank can repossess the house. Then Jim's bank decides it wants to borrow some money too, but it has nothing to offer its borrower as collateral, so it uses Jim's house as its collateral. That's rehypothecation. Problems occur if Jim's bank stops repaying its loan and Jim continues to make his payments. In that instance, the bank's borrower would be unable to take possession of Jim's house. In the financial world, rehypothecation occurs when the securities a hedge fund posts with a brokerage as collateral are used by the brokerage as collateral for its own transaction. Clients who permit rehypothecation of their collateral may be compensated through a lower cost of borrowing or a rebate on fees. Rehypothecation is quite common, but those who practice it proceed much more carefully than they did prior to the 2008 financial crisis. Rehypothecation is considered to be one of the possible factors contributing to the financial meltdown.
So this is basically what rehypothecation means. Basically, you can they can rehypothecate the Bitcoin multiple times, and then that same asset can be claimed more than once or sometimes 5 times on the balance sheet. So basically, institution can commingling and rehypothecate. So we talk about rehypothecate, but what is commingling? Commingling, basically, you can commingle different types of collateral. So you can commingle Bitcoin, US Treasury, CD or commodity or fiat currency or derivatives or mortgage-backed security or fiat currency, which commingle, which you can substitute them one for one another on their balance sheet. So basically, you can substitute them for one another on their balance sheet, as well as allowing multiple parties to claim ownership of the same asset on their financial statement more than once. So basically, they can reinflate the Bitcoin from 1 Bitcoin probably to 1,000 Bitcoin using rehypothecation. And commingling, they don't separate out each transaction. They commingle all these different asset or liability or whatever, like mortgage-backed security, fiat currency, Bitcoin, fiat US Treasury, commodities, commingling all this into the balance sheet. They don't separate out as an individual asset or whatever. So so this is how the thing is. Long also saying that this is the standard practice in Wall Street. This could serve to tame Bitcoin's fixed currency supply with elements of wider financial system because they rely on frictional reserve banking. Remember, frictional reserve banking, you deposit 10,000, they only have 200 as a reserve per FDIC requirement. The rest of the money just go to loan out to other people. That's how financial institutions make money. And let's see. So let's talk about, so what do you think this commingling and rehypothecation, do you think Bakkt is good to the community, good to the blockchain community? Do you think Bakkt is really good for the ecosystem, for the cryptocurrency? Please comment below. I would like to hear from you. And let's talk about the chart, the Bitcoin quickly. So, so the BTC USD short is not that high right now. Don't forget we have a CME future contract is going to expire on Friday. Last time, where is the Friday? So last time we have it. I think last Wednesday we have a CBOE future contract expire. All this come to a pump, and then there's a dump. And this time you can see the BTC-USD short is not that high, so I'm not sure if will there be a pump for the upcoming CME future contract. That is Ethereum. This is BTC as well. So you can see Ethereum USD short is not that high, and as well as the BTC USD short is not that high either, the short position. So I'm not sure if there will be a pump. Also, if you look at the wallet movement, you can see there's not much movement in terms of whale alert is like over 4,900 BTC movement and over 9,200 BTC movement in, I think, compared to last time, in less than 24 hours, they have huge movement. This time is not much, but we never know. Today is only Monday. There's a few more days to go before Friday. Maybe there's some movement. We don't know. But I could be wrong too, right? Isn't it? And also the spread for the CME. But this report is a little bit outdated. This is the Bitcoin future positions. There are how many position in long and how many position in short, and the spread. For this is October 16. This is a while back, so I'm not sure how accurate is this because some of the position may be liquidating already, and the spread is only 64. It's not that wide compared to used to be. And also, this one is CBOE. CBOE have a wider spread, 255, but their future contract is not expired until next month, probably November 14th. So at this time, I'm not sure there will be a pump at this time, but you never know. Crypto, anything could happen in crypto. So this is the calendar for the Bitcoin CME future contract, expire on October 26th, and then the CBOE will be November 14th. And also, this is the BitMEX liquidation box, liquidation box right now, liquidating long on Ripple. They sell Ripple. Currently, they're doing Ripple. So they're liquidating short on Ripple, buy Ripple, short Ripple, and buy Ripple and sell Ripple. So, so I'm not sure. So let me know what you think. Do you think there will be a certain type of pump, or there's no pump? To me, I don't see any pump at this moment. But if tomorrow there's a big movement of the whale wallet, we don't know. So we have to monitor closely in the next few days if there's another pump or not. For Bakkt, to me, I think if the thing is, if they really, people are saying that that will pump up the price because of the Bitcoin Bakkt ETF, but those whale, they can get it in OTC without affecting the price of exchange, because only the regular people, the average Joe, they get it from the exchange, right? For the whale, they can just buy it from the Genesis mining, so they don't even have to go through the exchange. So I doubt that will affect the price at this time. So let me know what you think about the Bakkt. Do you think this is good to the cryptocurrency community or blockchain community? And also, what do you think about the direction of the Bitcoin price in the next few days? Please comment below. I would like to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, share with your friends. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop giveaway, hard fork, or ICO. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in ICO or cryptocurrency has inherent risks. Please use due diligence.